kids, today we will learn the names of insects. Let's get started. Ant. This is an ant. Ant. This is an ant. Bee. This is a bee. Bee. This is a bee. Butterfly. This is a butterfly. Butterfly. This is a butterfly. Mosquito. This is a mosquito. Mosquito. This is a mosquito. Housefly. This is a housefly. Housefly. This is a housefly. Dragonfly. This is a dragonfly. Dragonfly. This is a dragonfly. Grasshopper. This is a grasshopper. Grasshopper. This is a grasshopper. Ladybug. This is a ladybug. Ladybug. This is a ladybug. Beetle. This is a beetle. Beetle. This is a beetle. Wasp. This is a wasp. Wasp. This is a wasp. Termite. This is a termite. Termite. This is a termite. Moth. This is a moth. Moth. This is a moth. Cricket. This is a cricket. Cricket. This is a cricket. Cicada. This is a cicada. Cicada. This is a cicada. Firefly. This is a firefly. Firefly. This is a firefly.